A wire brush is an essential tool in ship husbandry, primarily used for cleaning, surface preparation, and maintenance tasks on ships. Its role is to remove rust, old paint, corrosion, weld beads, and other debris from metal surfaces. This helps maintain the ship's hull and structural integrity to ensure proper adhesion of new paint or coatings. These are called bristles. This is the key part of the brush, made from wire. Common materials for the bristles include carbon steel, stainless steel, or brass. The choice of bristle material depends on the specific cleaning task and the surface type. Wire brushes come in various sizes, from handheld brushes for detailed work to larger brushes that can be attached to power tools for more intensive cleaning. The wire brush is a simple yet vital tool in ship maintenance, aiding in both the longevity and safety of the vessel.